Introducing the future of capping. This is the Corematic, the industry's first maintenance-free pneumatic capping press, built exclusively for SFIC. Precision engineered by GMS, Corematic is compact, powerful, and effortlessly operable. It handles 6 or 7 pin cores with ease, available in .150 or .140 spacing, and it does it all without breaking a sweat. No springs, no levers, no mechanical resets, no maintenance. Just pure pneumatic performance. Corematic delivers power and precision in one smooth motion. Just drop in the core, press the big red button, and let the air-driven power handle the rest. Fast, reliable, consistent, it's not just a machine, it's your new favorite employee. Corematic is available now. Pre-order exclusively at American Key Supply. Cap smarter, not harder with Corematic.